Let us learn. The dogs are playing cricket. The rat want to join. Now the rat is asking, may I play with you? The dog is replying like, but the game has started. Sorry, you are late. Now the rat just saw that rabbit. The rabbit is flying a kite. The rat want to join. May I fly your kite? He is asking, like the rat is asking. For the rabbit is responding like, but I have only one. So he is saying that I have only one. How can I give to you? So he went to the next person like monkey and asking. So the monkey asked winning on the tree. The rat want to join. So it is asking like, may I play with you? The monkey said, but rat can't swing. Why you're asking all this question? You can't swing, right? Just go away, like that it is saying. Okay, so now he went to frog. The frogs are playing hopscotch. The rat want to join. Okay, so now he is asking, may I hop with you? So that time the frog are responding like, no, no, only two can play this game. So now the rat is very sad. So it is thinking that okay, no problem, I can build my own castle. I want to play alone. So the rat is building a sand castle. Everyone want to join him. So it is thinking that I will play alone, no problem, like that. Hey, look at that. Yes, sand castle. Shall we join him? Now they want to join. That time they are asking, shall I join, like that. That time the rat is without any hesitation. He does not. Rat is not saying no. The rat invites everyone to play with him. Let us play together. So playing together is always fun. Enjoy with your friends and family. Have a nice day.